Hello, Diana. My name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. And the screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Error renovation. Our first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So, I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Sergio. Can you please do it for me? So, if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see the skills I have to help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free tag plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now, before you try to do it yourself, let me try to show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I like to go over is your content. So, throughout your content, throughout your website, in order for your business to be fully optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. Now, I found your site has about 962, which is still a little more than your competitors, because in comparison with your competitors, they have about 327. But these words are filled with keyword-rich content. Now, this is very beatable. Like, you already beat it, right? But they are beating you in the keyword aspect. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority. So every month people are searching for these keywords a number of times, right? Which you miss out on not being number one. So you're missing out on potential clients at that point. That is money. So let's take a look at your competition and you. So first you have about 1,890 backlinks, 135 referring domains, and 1.3 thousand keywords. So Air Renovation, very nice. Deck Restore Kansas City, nice. Air Renovation, nice. Now, doing pretty well with your organic keywords. So let's go over volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. So just a little more in depth if you didn't know already. So keyword, this is what people type into the search bar, or words, air renovation, words, right? And then volume is how many times this keyword is generated through Google. Now it's only one KD rank, and it's on the scale of 0 to 100. Cost per click deals with advertisements. And traffic is derived on what position you are currently in for this keyword. If you're in the first position, you get at least a third of the keyword volume. Second, you get like a quarter, and so on and so on. So now let's know a little bit about what it goes into volume, KD, traffic, position, how it helps your content. Let's go into citations. So if we go over to a local citation finder, we see you have no citations, which is totally fine. But you're asking, hey, what is a citation? Well, if you go over to your map pack, from you all, you are able to see the business name, the business address, and business phone number. So this is called maps. And to rank in maps, you want ratings, 5-star ratings. But also behind it, you want citations. This is what this is. So I'm going to show you a competitor. Say Cornerstone Home Improvements. They have about 75 citation sources. This is the home improvements, right? You want at least double, triple the amount of citation sources that this consumer has, or this business owner has. Now it puts you above him and anyone else that is right next to him. It's called beating him out by a landslide. So these naps and name address phone numbers are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on, and Facebook as an area to where you submit a citation. So the last thing I'd like to talk about is your backlinks. This is the third thing. So going back to your organic listings for Kansas City Home Improvement, we go down and we can see Total Home KC, Kansas City Remodel, Redesign KC, and so on and so on. But you are not listed here in the first page of Google for this home improvement keyword. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be at the competition in every aspect. So simply put, it works like this. Link juice simply put it works like this. Site A is pointing at Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. So for example, if you have Total Home KC linking back to you, not saying you should, It'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. At least I don't think you do. Well, if we go back to Aris and pull up your backlinks, since you have so many, you actually have a lot. You see every single spot to where it's coming from, right, and where it's going to. So the nifty thing about this tool is you can do the same thing to your competitor, right? And this is how you quickly obtain those high-ranking backlinks. Easiest way, not the most ethical, but definitely the easiest. Now, if you're looking to use this tool, I'll pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checkout, and you link to such sites may have to offer. Point A, this. So, the three things I went over today: content, citations, and backlinks. One more time. Content, one of these 1,500 words. Fill the keywords, and each keyword that you want to rank for should have a backlink heading towards it from a different site, and that's how you rank higher organically. Just more in depth if you didn't already know. So citations, you want at least 100 to 200 of these so you can beat out the competition in every aspect. This will get you higher in rankings of Google. So lastly, certainly, arguably the most important, is you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So if you implement these strategies today and take every single one with a high DR, high UR, or however many you want to take from people, you take all of them. This will get you across Google in the #1 spot. So I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and you guys have a good one.